Here you got more eBay packages. I'm gonna box now. I got the shipping labels off. I already like opened them to inspect them, and they seem to be in good shape. So I'm gonna open this one first for you. Oh, it's definitely okay. Bubble wrap protects it. Don't want to drop it at all though. Yep, I ordered the Nunner fire alarm. It's a Gentex one. See Gentex. I wonder if I can adjust this. Yeah, to take that thing off. Pretty nice though. This is a speaker strobe. The speaker is actually sealed. It's still pretty good though. I like it. Now for the final and last package. I ordered another Wheelock speaker. The other one had a chip magnet. This one's in much better shape. Look at that. I'm gonna test it to see if it works, though. I'm sure it works, so. Very nice. I really want these badly. These are very nice speakers. They don't have much bass, but they're pretty good. And proper enclosure, it actually has pretty good bass. Yeah, that is very nice. What I'm going to do with the other Wheelock speaker, I'm going to torture the hell out of it and probably below it. Use that as a chip magnet. I'm going to use this one if it works. It does not have a chip magnet. This is in much better shape. So yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.